Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a paginated report in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI Index, and integration services, as well as analysis services. Now we'll start how to create paginated report in page report builder. So let me open it. So Power BI. So Power BI report builder. Okay. So here we can see that Power BI report builder. Just click on it. So it will open. Sometimes it will take time. So that's no problem. So it's opening. So let it open. So yeah, it's almost there. Yeah, here we can see that do you want to create a new report, do you want to open or resend? So there are different things out there. So for timing, I'm just closing. So this is the where you can design the report and all. So there are a couple of options. We can see that in the menu bar, like home. Under home you can see different things, and in data section, so from where you want to pull the data, like different data sources are there, like so Teradata, SQL Server, and Azure Analysis Service, like something different. Okay, so when it comes to insert, we can see that so what kind of report items you want to insert, like table, matrix, list, rectangle, different kind of charts and sub report. So many more things are there. So we'll try to see everything, okay, going forward. And when it comes to you can see that so do you want to see the report data, grouping, parameters, properties, ruler, something like that. For example, nothing like that. As for example, report data means this is the report data section. Okay, whatever we can see that this is called report data. If you want, we can so visualize. If you don't want, we can uncheck it, so it will go away. So like properties, ruler, parameter, something like that. Now we'll try to create a sample report. So going forward, we'll try to focus more on like a different kind of expressions. So different types of reports, we'll try to do that. So click on data. Now I'll try to pull data from the SQL Server database. Just click on here. So basically in report builder, like a paginated reports, same thing like a SQL Server reporting services, we need to create the first data source. On top of the data source, we need to create the data set. Something same thing like here also. So let me create the data source first. So demo data, we can give any name, there's no problem. And we need to select the connections type, SQL Server, Microsoft, and we need to build the connection string. For that, just click on build. So here we need to provide the server from which server you want to pull the data to build this report on. So just refresh it. So now you can see that so here there are two servers are there. So for timing, I'm just selecting this server, and here we can see two types of authentication modes. There are like a Windows authentication and a SQL Server authentication. So we can select for SQL Server authentication. Here we need to use the username password, but when it comes to Windows authentication, no need to give any kind of credentials and all. So after that, we need to select which database you want to, okay, from this server. So there are different databases are there, from which database you want to select. For example, here, so I'm trying to select AdventureWorks DW. So after that, I'll try to test the connection. Okay, connection succeeded. Just click OK. Okay, so click OK. Now data source has been created successfully. Okay, here we can see that data source has been created successfully. On top of the data source, I'm trying to create a data set. Okay, let me give some name. sample data set. You can give any name, there's no problem. So from this data source I am trying to pull the data. Okay, so here we can see that there are different types, like whether you want to type this query, so here, or whether it is stored procedure. See, you can give the stored procedure also. We'll try to see that going forward. For timing, in the query level there are two options, like query designer. It means that so when I try to click on this, so it will open new window. So here we can see that different types of tables and so views as well as stored procedures. Okay, so we can give anything, there's no problem. For timing I'm not giving anything here, so just I'll try to write a query. So first of all, let me write a query here. So click on new query, so go to the AdventureWorks DW, select start from dim category, dim product category. I'm just giving simple table. So here we can see that I'll try to take only few columns, category key, as well as English product, English category name, and also product alternate key. Okay, so I'm just taking only these three columns out of all the columns. Let me execute it. Yeah, it's fine. Now I'll try to take this query and paste it here, so we can check fields, what are the fields we are pulling. So I'm trying to take only three columns and also different types of options. So is there any filters, is there any parameters, we can see everything. So now let me click on OK. See, now you can see that, so under this, whatever the data source we have created, it will be there, and this is the data set. In sample data, how many columns we are pulling? Only category key, category name, alternate key. Okay, now I'll try to build the report by inserting different visualize, like whether you want to go for table or matrix list, whatever it is. Okay, for timing I'm click on table, so insert table. So now you can see that, so here just me pull it here, so delete it, I don't want name, so let me arrange it. So now you can see, so here whatever the data set we have created, it will display all the columns from the data source. Just select whatever you want, product key and product name, sorry, product category name. So again, product alternate key. Okay, so likewise I have taken three columns in this table visual. So let me arrange something. Okay, so we'll do some formatting. And now I'll try to do, so color is black, I don't want color black, so I'm giving some different color. Okay, so here also I want in middle, so same thing here also middle, and so I want font color something, and background color you can give it anything. So I'll try to give background color, so where it is background color, yes. Okay, so here I'll try to give white so that you can see clearly. Even I want to bold also, bold color. Okay, so likewise I have designed this report. Let me give some space so that you can see clearly. Okay, again this also, yeah, if you want to, we can adjust this one, there's no problem on that. See, I'm trying to delete this one also, I do not want. See, if you don't have anything, just try to make it, do not give any space on that. Okay, so yeah, likewise I have designed the table report. Now we'll try to see whether it is giving correctly or not by clicking the run option. Okay, just click on here, we can see the output. So it's running the report. Yeah, now you can see that. So category key, product name, alternate key. So again, if you want to switch back to the design view, just click on here. So this is the design view, and if you want to run it, we can click on here. So this is running. So what are the output we are getting by running this one? So we can export into different options like Word, Excel, PDF, something like that. For example, if you want to export to PDF, just click on here. So you can give some title, sample report. Just click on save. So we'll try to see that. See, now you can see, just open it. So it will open. Sometimes it's taking time to open it due to my machine configuration. So still it's taking time. Yeah, sorry for the late. So now I have exported that report to the PDF format. We'll try. Now we can see that. See, category key, name, alternate key, like that. So what are the report we have designed by using the report builder? We can export to different ways like Word, PowerPoint, PDF, so CSV, Excel, something like that. Okay, so again I'm going to switch design view. So likewise we can create the report in the report builder. So going forward, we'll try to make it more customized and dynamic calculations we can do. So and also including the different types of parameters that are there. So we'll try to see the all possible options that are available. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And also if you're looking any kind of training, so please let me know that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.